The Ashby Workshops is named after Ross Ashby, a scientist who gave us the law of requisite variety, which basically states the more complex a system or a problem, the greater the need for a diversity in solutions to that problem. And I think if we've learned anything over the course of the day, we do not have a clear idea of how AI is going to transform our world, our society, our economy. And we at Fathom do not believe there is going to be one single silver bullet that is going to help us meet that moment as it comes our way. We need a diversity of thought, we need a diversity of solutions, and that is why we've brought this room together.
AI is developing so quickly that we need to have conversations about what the major policy issues are, what the major issues are that we are struggling with, and have a forum where you are with really smart people who can help us think through what some of those challenges are and how we can resolve them.
We're looking at a technological transformation that we haven't seen since something like electricity or the telephone, but those took 5 decades. This is happening much more quickly.
AI introduces a lot of challenges, but it's also making so many new opportunities and experiences possible. Now anyone can build a company and share that idea with the world. And we're seeing that happen every single day.
We're all really curious. We're all in a space where we want to ask more questions so that we can get to the right answers. And when you're surrounded by people who are humble, who are curious, and who are kind, then magical things can happen.
We started Fathom because we believe that there is a window open right now to shape the future that we can have with AI. And we, as Fathom, started Ashby because we believe you are the requisite variety of solutions that need to come to the table in order to make that happen.
Thank you for everyone for joining us for these 2 days as we tackle some really complex questions. But we think that we have the voices and the leaders in the room to really get from discussing these questions around AI to moving into action around them. And that is truly a goal here at Ashby.